Welcome to the Greenstock News Brief for Monday, December 1st. Here are today's top headlines. Planet Labs has successfully launched its AI-enabled Pelican-5 and Pelican-6 satellites on the SpaceX Transporter-15 mission and has begun commissioning after establishing contact. These new high-resolution satellites expand the company's Pelican fleet, add advanced onboard AI processing, and will support Planet's global imaging products ahead of additional launches planned for 2026. Plug Power has won a $2.8 million contract to supply up to 218,000 kilograms of liquid hydrogen to two NASA facilities in Ohio, marking its first-ever hydrogen supply award from the agency. The deal highlights Plug's ability to meet NASA's strict performance requirements and positions the company for expanded opportunities in the growing space sector. Stratasys has fully launched its radiomatrix 3D printing material in the U.S., giving healthcare providers and researchers nationwide access to highly tunable, X-ray visible 3D printed medical models. Early studies showed that radiomatrix can closely replicate real human tissue in CT imaging, enabling more accurate training, device testing, and imaging algorithm development. Spire Global has launched 11 satellites on the SpaceX Transporter-15 mission, including customer satellites, as well as 3 new satellites to strengthen its own dual-use constellation. The mission expands Spire's methane monitoring fleet, enhances the global IoT network, and boosts Spire's atmospheric and maritime data capabilities.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.